5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fight. Robots fight.
Very wide, able to corral Maximizer right off the bat here, but will Boost be able to take advantage of those situations, and will it have enough power to cause damage? It looks like Boost has already been damaged, driving a little poorly here.
And early on, Ramp Buddy really getting some of these great pins against Maximizer, using those ramps and making a friend.
Not much Maximizer can do against Ramp Buddy here. It's just...
Ooh. It seems like Maximizer is one by one trying to take these teeth and forks off of Ramp Buddy and really try and utilize that to their advantage. But
see, one of the pink ones is now missing on the far left of Ramp Buddy, far right as we look at the screen.
oh, Boost getting a great shot there in the back.
I wondered if that saw would be able to do damage. It is 3/4 of the way through that frame member.
Quite impressive for such a little guy. On someone's wheel, it looks like Ramp Buddy has just fallen off.
Yeah.
That's going to be tricky.
Ramp Buddy's right wheel is off and the frame is half cut through. The match is paused now for an unstick, which is interesting.
Well, I did see there was a bit of a boost against Ramp Buddy against Maximizer, so there could have been a little bit of a pile up there. We'll get reset here shortly, but I am seeing that Ramp Buddy has lost both of their wheels, which may have led to this tap out moment.
It is hard to fight without your wheels. That was
They say those are
interesting.
important.
Ramp